the Textron Scorpion will be the best option for the Spanish Air Force. The CASA C-101 has to be replaced in the next years. So the Spanish Air Force is looking for a stable and good and reliable trainer. And more, even that will be the best option if they take Textron Scorpion trainers. It will, I think, really help the American economy, but even the Spanish economy, to push that great aircraft into the Spanish Air Force and maybe other aircraft in Europe. Thank you very much. Also, Spain or Spanish Air Force has to replace an old Northrop F-5B, or what we could say the T-38 Talon of the Spanish Air Force. This would be the best answer if they would take the Textron Scorpion. The Scorpion will solve a lot of problems for the Spanish Air Force, and maybe it will be an option for a lot of European air forces.